Unlock your baking potential with Ben Lippen School Coffee Cake Recipe. Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're bringing you a delicious treat inspired by the beloved Ben Lippen School Coffee Cake. Get ready to indulge in layers of moist cake, a sweet cinnamon streusel, and a delightful glaze. Let's dive right in and bake this deliciousness together. Ingredients. For the cake batter: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup sour cream, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt. For the streusel topping: 1/2 cup brown sugar, packed, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, cold and cubed. For the glaze: 1/2 cup powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon milk, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. Do you want something that truly stands out and captures the essence of the spooky season? Well, look no further. Introducing the Halloween coffee cup, will send shivers down your spine and leave you craving for more. Prepare to be enchanted by the captivating gothic girl who effortlessly blends magic, mystery, and coffee into a spine-tingling experience. Watch as the girl, with her striking red eyes, sips her favorite hot beverage, transporting you to a realm where darkness meets beauty. Feel the goosebumps rise on your skin as you witness the enchanting contrast between her dark attire and the vibrant nature surrounding her. Experience the perfect blend of happiness and Halloween vibes, as you join our gothic girl on a journey through the eerie ambiance of the season. Let the lush green grass and the mysterious atmosphere cast their spell on you, leaving you mesmerized and craving for more. Link in description: https://tinyurl.com/HalloweenCup2023. Oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and grease a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in the eggs, one at a time, and then add the vanilla extract. Mix well until thoroughly combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt in a separate bowl. Whisk. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, alternating with the sour cream, starting and ending with the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined, being careful not to overmix. In a small bowl, prepare the streusel topping by mixing the brown sugar, flour, and cinnamon. Cut in the cold, cubed butter using a fork or pastry cutter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Pour half of the cake batter into the prepared baking dish, spreading it out evenly. Sprinkle half of the streusel topping over the batter. Add the remaining cake batter and spread it out evenly. Top with the remaining streusel topping. Bake the coffee cake in the preheated oven for about 25–30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While the coffee cake is baking, prepare the glaze. In a small bowl, whisk together the powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract until smooth. Once the coffee cake is done baking, remove it from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. Drizzle the glaze over the slightly cooled coffee cake. Slice and serve the Lippen School coffee cake, and enjoy it with a cup of your favorite coffee or tea. And there you have it, the delectable Lippen School coffee cake. We hope you enjoyed baking and savoring this mouthwatering treat as much as we did. Don't forget to hit that like button if you loved this recipe, and subscribe to our channel for more culinary delights and school-inspired recipes. Until next time, happy baking, and remember to share the joy of good food with your friends and family. See you soon. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.